Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to activate QuickBooks Desktop. First, locate your license and product numbers, which are essential for the process. Next, ensure your computer has a stable internet connection. Then, simply open the QuickBooks Desktop application on your system to begin. Having these details ready will make the activation smooth and quick. Once QuickBooks is open, navigate to the Help menu at the top. From there, select Activate QuickBooks and choose the online activation method. You'll then be prompted to enter your license and product numbers. Carefully input these details into the designated fields and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation quickly and efficiently. This is often the fastest way. If online activation isn't an option, you can activate by phone. Again, go to the Help menu, select Activate QuickBooks, but this time choose the phone option. QuickBooks will provide a toll-free number and a validation code. Call the number, provide the code to the representative, and they will guide you through the rest of the activation steps. Have your license information ready. Should you encounter any issues, first verify your internet connection is strong. Double-check that all license and product numbers were entered correctly, as a single-digit error can prevent activation. If problems persist, try restarting QuickBooks Desktop. Once activated, you'll receive a confirmation, and your software will be ready for full use. Enjoy using your QuickBooks Desktop.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.